Hello friends, welcome to in this new video. Friend, in this video we derive the Simpsons 3-8 the rule. Friend, you have seen that in the previous videos we have derived trapezoidal rule and Simpson's 1/3 rule. Now we here derive the Simpson's 3-8 the rule. In that video, we have seen how we have derived that rule from the general quadrature formulas. In this video also, we use the general quadrature formula to derive this rule. Is on your screen. Integration of y between the limit x0 to x0 plus nh. Now here we put n is equal to 3 in this rule. Put n equal to 3 and neglect here all higher derivatives than third. So put n is equal to 3, integration x0 to x0 plus 3h y into dx equal to h into 3y0 plus 3 square 9 divided by 2 delta y0 plus 3 cube 27 divided by 3 minus 9 divided by 2 into delta square y0 divided by 2 plus 81 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 is 81 divided by 4 minus 3 cube 27 plus 3 square 9 into delta cube divided by y0 divided by 3 factorial is 6, and all other derivatives we are neglecting. Let us simplify this. H into 3y0 plus 9 divided by 2 delta y0 means y1 minus y0 plus LCM of these two, 27 into 2, that is 54 minus 3 into 9, that is 27 divided by 6 into delta square y0 is y2 minus 2y1 plus y0 divided by 2 plus 81 divided by 4 minus 18 into delta cube is y3 minus 3y2 plus 3y1 minus y0 divided by 6 equal to h into 3y0 plus 9 divided by 2 into y1 minus y0 plus 54 minus 27, that is 27 divided by 6, 27 divided by 6 that is 3 2s are 6 and 3 9s are 27. So 9 divided by 2, 9 divided by 2 and this 2, so 9 divided by 4 into y2 minus 2y1 plus y0 plus 81 by 4, the LCM of these two, 81 18 into 4, 18 into 4 is 72, 81 minus 72, 81 minus 72 is 9. So we get now 9 divided by 4 into y3 minus 3y2 plus 3y1 minus y0 divided by 6. Now 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. We get here 3 by 8. So everywhere we have 3, hence we take 3 common, 3h, and we take LCM as a 8. 8 LCM, so 8 into y0 plus we have taken 3 common, so 3 remain here. Again multiply by 8, therefore we have 2 4s are 8, hence 3 into 4 we get 12 y1 minus y0, 3 taken common, so 3 remain, and we have multiplied by 8. We have now 4 8 4 8s are 4 2s are 8, there 6, we have 6 now here, so y2 minus 2 y1 plus y0 plus, now 3 by 8 are taken common, so y3 minus 3 y2 plus 3 into y1 minus y0 equal to 3h divided by 8 into how many y zeros? Look at this, 8y0 minus 12y0 plus 6y0 and minus this y0. So 8 and 6, 8 and 6, 14, 14 minus 12, 2, 2 and this minus 1, so we get y0 plus 12y1 minus 12y1 will get cancel, and we have plus 3y1 plus 6y2 and this minus 3y2, so this will be 3y2, okay, and this y3. We get, friend, this as a 3h divided by 8 y0 plus 3y1 plus 3y2 plus y3. I will write here in short this integration. After simplification of all this, we get this a simple value. And similarly we deduce all other values, okay. So what is the simple value? 3h divided by 8 into y0 plus 3y1 plus 3y2 plus y3, okay. So integration x0 plus 3h to x0 plus 6h. Now think about the multiplied term, multiplied of 3. We have taken x0 to x0 plus 3h. So we will take x0 plus 3h to x0 plus 6h. Then similarly we will have x 3h divided by 8 into y3 plus 3y4 plus 3y5 plus y6. We get this term. Once again we will write x0 plus 6h to x0 plus 9h y into dx equal to 3h divided by 8 into y6 plus 3y7 plus 3y8 plus y9. So let us think about n as a multiple of 3. So when n is a multiple of 3, x0 plus n minus 3h to x0 plus nh of integration of y equal to, very first term is here 3h divided by 8 into yn minus 3 plus 3 times yn minus 2 plus 3 times yn minus 1 plus yn. Now add all these, adding all these integrations, let us add all these integrations, and we will now get integration directly from x0 to between the limit x0 to x0 plus nh. Integration x0 to x0 plus nh y into dx equal to 3h divided by 8 into 8 into see the integrations y0 and this yn, these are the single terms, so we get y0 and yn plus 3 times, look at this, 3 y1 plus this y2, y1, then y4, y5, then y7, y8, then yn minus 2 and yn minus 3. So 3 times y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus yn minus 2 plus yn minus 1 plus y3, this multiple of 3, look at this multiple 3, then y6, these are the twice terms. So twice y3 plus y6 plus yn minus 3. So multiple terms, multiple of 3 terms will be twice and all other will be thrice except y0 and yn, that will be single terms. So this is called as a Simpson's 3/8 rule.